Now, if you're an information leak hunter like myself, you already knew about this service days before it came out. But Google Play Games is live as of the 15th, and we're already merrily enjoying that beautiful achievement unlocked pop-up as the fresh new gaming service works its way into everything a clear on up. Yeah, they're a little late to the game, but I'm just happy to see that it's finally here so we can stop messing with HeyZap, Swarm, Playphone, OpenFaint, or Greer, or whatever the hell it is. We finally have an official, first-party social gaming medium. And while I just love to sit here and praise it all day, I'm actually kind of here to criticize some rather dumb mistakes they made when implementing the service. First of all, I'd like to introduce you to the login process for every game. Now, instead of taking the approach where everyone else took, where your things just sort of happen automatically, you actually have to sign into the game before you can start getting achievements or making progress on the leaderboards. A minor tick, but it's kind of an annoying process, seeing as all the other competitors just sign you in when you have a game that utilizes the services. Also, another thing I'd like to bring up. See these? These are the competitor services Xbox Live and Apple's Game Center, but most importantly, these are the hubs for those gaming services. So where's the hub for Google Play Games? Oh wait, there isn't one. For a social gaming service, a hub is 100% totally and absolutely essential. It's what lets you find out what all games utilize the game service. It's your organized central station for all your challenges, leaderboard positions, and other relevant information regarding the games you play with your fellow gamers. It lets you check your overall accumulation of achievements, and you can even compare with other players. Without this, we're simply left having to launch whatever game we want to check progress on in an individual game-by-game basis, check our achievement progress in those games on an individual game-by-game basis, and compare our progress with our friends on an individual game-by-game basis. Google, you need to give your gaming service a hub. Make it a standalone app. Make it a part of Google+. However you do it, please, please, make it happen. Now, another issue, and quite possibly the most dumbfounding thing they could have done, is the way it ties into Google services. Now, I can deal with the fact that I have to sign in for every game, and I'm even more than willing to be patient while they put together a hub to bring Google Play services together. But one thing that's kinda hard to dismiss is when developers cheaply subtract from our phone storage by consuming space as application data. Unlike the rest of the application, we can't move that to the SD. And if you're an obsessive data manager, you notice that each and every game that's enabled to use Google Play services is, in fact, taking up your phone storage in increments of about 2 to 6 megabytes per game. When we're talking about a service that's going to hopefully grow to be larger than its competitors, you can see the projected future where this thing ends up sucking up well over 120 megs directly off your phone storage for about 24 games. Needless to say, that's simply and absolutely unacceptable. A common courtesy established as far back as Windows Mobile 6.1 is to save all the really space-hungry stuff for the external SD card, and that's fair because we can actually expand upon that. It's really sad that these things exist because this would be an otherwise perfect solution to a gaming service that's well overdue. Google, if you're watching, those are the few things that stand between this service and greatness. You've got the best, the most dynamic, most advanced, and most popular smartphone in your hands. And as we could expect, developers are already leaping for the opportunity to develop for Google Play Games. It would greatly behoove you to fix these issues. The quicker the better. This has been another YouTube video by your guy TLR. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'm out.